Hello all, hope everybody fine. Please take care of your health. And we did the basics of trigonometry, and also I taught you the examples of trigonometry. So if anybody having the doubts on examples or the basics of the basics of the trigonometry, so please watch the previous videos which are there in the playlist called trigonometry. And today in this session I would like to explain the exercise 8.1. So let's enter into the session. The first question, it's given that in triangle ABC, so this is very important. We need to know where is exactly the right angle. It is given that it is at right angle at B. So this is B, and then I will keep this is A and this is C. And the values are given AB equal to 24, okay, and BC is equal to 7, and we don't know this, we have to find. Okay, so here very importantly we have to know that here actually totally two questions are there. One is sin A cos A, another one is sin C cos C. So in the first question, sin A cos A, that means we have to see from cos A or sin A from A, we have to see from A. With respect to A, we have to write the answers. And sin C, with respect to C, we have to write the answers. So, sir, what do you mean by with respect to C? I will just make you understand within 2 minutes. Please be patient. So, this is the same triangle which I drawn here. A, B, C, and this is 24, this is 7. Okay. But we have to write with respect to C. That means we have to see from C. We have to see from A. So from A, opposite is this is, and adjacent to A is this is adjacent. Always opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. At the same time, so opposite to C, that means this is opposite, and adjacent to C is this is adjacent, and always opposite to the hypotenuse right angle is hypotenuse. Okay, and now we'll discuss what is sin A. Okay, so before finding the sin A, that means opposite side by hypotenuse. So we require the hypotenuse, we don't know hypotenuse. So first we need to find the hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So hypotenuse is nothing but AC square. So AB square is 224 whole square, and so BC is 7 square. Okay, then AC square is equal to, it is a 24 whole square 576, and 7 square is 49. So AC square is equal to 625. Okay, so AC square is equal to 576 plus 49, 625 only. So AC square equal to 625, then AC is equal to 25. Okay, so AC is equal to 25, and therefore we need to write opposite by hypotenuse, and also we have to find cos A. Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is opposite? That is BC. BC by, we have to see from A, okay, and BC by hypotenuse is AC. What is adjacent? Adjacent is AB. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, and see the answers. What is BC? 7 by AC is 25, and what is AB? The adjacent 24, and hypotenuse is 25. So these are the answers, and we have to find sin C. So sin C means we have to see from C. So opposite to C is AB. AB by opposite hypotenuse AC. At the same time, cos C. Cos C is adjacent. Adjacent is BC, and hypotenuse is AC. So the answer AB is equal to 24. 24 by hypotenuse absolutely the same, 25. So 24 by 25, BC is 7 by 25. So the main thing of this question is we have to uh, find out the answer with respect to of what figure, what value, that is A and C. So just they would like to make us understand with respect to of what we are writing the answers with respect to of A and with respect to of C. Okay, so this is the first answer, and let's move into the second question. So second one, find tan P minus cot R. Okay, we'll do this. 8.13, this is a figure that was given in the question. Find tan P minus cot R. Okay, see, this is given PQR, and this is 13, this is 12, and we don't know this is, and they asked us tan P. So tan P means minus, they asked us cot R. So what is tan P? We have to see from P, that means this is opposite. Opposite is QR, and adjacent is, this is PQ. So this is PQ minus, what is cot R? We have to see from cot R. Cot R is adjacent side by opposite. That means adjacent is QR and opposite is PQ. Okay. Then we require adjacent side, so x value. So we need to figure it out by using the Pythagoras theorem, that is PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So what is PR square? And we require QR, so QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square. So QR square is equal to, what is PR square? It is 13 square minus 12 square. So QR square is equal to 13 square is 169 minus 144. Okay. So it must be QR square is equal to 25. QR is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. So therefore x value is equal to 5. And then what is QR? QR is 5. And what is PQ? PQ is 12 minus, what is QR? QR is 5. And what is PQ? PQ is 12. So both plus and minus values are got cancelled, and the answer is 0. Okay, so this is about the second question, and the main aim to give this question is we have to know with respect of what and what will happen if I find from with respect of P and with respect of R from the figure. Okay, we will discuss the next question, that is if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, so for in this scenario, in this trigonometry, first thing is we have to know how to draw a diagram. So this is a right angle triangle, and then here it is given sin A equal to 3 by 4. So with respect of A, they have written that I will keep this is as A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, then sin A, and given that sin A is equal to 3 by 4, that means this is opposite side by hypotenuse, right? So with respect of A, which is opposite side? So this is opposite, then keep here 3, opposite this is, and with respect of A, always opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is nothing but 4. Then we need to find AB also. Okay, and we have to know that cos A equal to dash. Cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent with respect of A? That is AB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. And then what is tan A? Tan A is, this is also very important, that with respect of what they have actually asked us with respect of A only. So here A means opposite by adjacent. So this is BC by AB. Okay, then cos A is equal to We have to know AB, here also AB there. So we have to find AB, apply the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So we require AB square. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. What is AC square? That is 4 square minus what is BC square? That is 3 square. So AB square is equal to 16 minus 9. So AB square is equal to 7. So AB is equal to root over 7. We don't know the root value of 7. I mean, no need to find the separately. So what is AB? AB is root 7. So root 7 by adjacent side, and hypotenuse is 4. And what is BC? The BC is 3. And what is AB? AB is nothing but root 7. So these are the answers of the third question. Okay. So from this question, we have to learn that even the sides might be root values also. So no need to feel confused like we got like root values, so therefore it must be wrong or something. It's nothing like that. Even though the sides might be any value, not only the whole numbers, it might be the root also. Okay. So don't be confused if you get any whole numbers there. Okay. I mean root numbers or etc. And the fourth question, given 15 cot A is equal to A, find sin A and secant A. Okay. So the fourth one, given 15 cot A is equal to A. First diagram is very important. And with respect to of A, I will keep here A, B and C. This is right angle and opposite is right angle, opposite is hypotenuse, this is opposite and this is adjacent. And then the given value is 15 cot A. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So into 15 until if it go that side, it will become the division. So cot A is equal to 8 by 15. So what is cot formula actually? The cot formula is, tell me, adjacent side by opposite. So the adjacent of cot A is nothing but 8 and opposite is nothing but 15. So we have to find the AC also. According to the question, they asked us to find cot A. They asked us to find cot A. So what is cot A? Sorry, they asked us to find sin A, right? So sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite there? Opposite to sin A is BC. So BC by AC and secant A. Secant A is nothing but that is reciprocal of cos A only. So or hypotenuse by adjacent side. Actually, adjacent side by hypotenuse is the value of the cos A. The reciprocal of cos A is nothing but secant A. So therefore, it was reciprocal. So hypotenuse by adjacent side. And if you didn't understand all this, you can see the previous session, which was where I discussed the basics of trigonometry. And now we have to find hypotenuse. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So therefore, AC square is equal to BC is 8 square. 8 square plus AB is 15 square. So AC square is equal to 64 plus 15 square is 225. So AC square is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8 and 289. So AC square is equal to, so it must be root over so it must be root over 289. So 289 is nothing but 17 times of 7. So therefore it must be 17, and then sin A is equal to, sin A is BC. What is BC? BC value is 15. 15 by what is AC? 17. Okay. And hypotenuse is 17. And what is adjacent? Adjacent is 8. Okay. From the figure, we can write all these values. Okay. And hope you have understood this. So we have to know, please read at least till 20 the perfect squares of every number, like a 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 6 square, like that. And the fifth question, the fifth one is about, given a secant theta equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other means except secant, all other. So all other trigonometric ratios means already secant is given. So what are all other? Sin theta and cos theta, tan theta and cosecant theta, and secant is already given, so no need to find, and cot theta. And absolutely, we know that in the basic session I have already told you that secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. So therefore, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos. So this is the reciprocal. Then the answer is 12 by 13, because 1 by secant theta. Just reciprocal it, reverse it, then it will be completed. So the rest of all sin theta, it require opposite by hypotenuse. All this we need to find, and this is with respect to of theta. So with respect of theta only, we have to find. So first draw the diagram with respect to theta. That means keep here theta, then A, right angle, B and C. And opposite to the B is hypotenuse. Opposite to the B is hypotenuse. So therefore, because it is right angle. And then secant theta formula. Secant theta formula is secant theta formula is adjacent side by, hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, the reciprocal of cos theta. So what is hypotenuse here? 13. And what is adjacent? Adjacent means this is adjacent, 12, and we need to find the hypotenuse. Opposite side. Okay. So apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB we have to find. AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. So it is nothing but AC square. Every time we should not like that, answer must be 5. That is a triplet. So we have to remember some triplets to do the objective very properly, and this is a theoretical answer, so therefore we will explain all this. So but in the future, for all the triplets you have to remember. Okay, so 13 square is 169, and this is 44. Then answer must be 25. So this is AB square. That implies AB is equal to 5, because root over 25. So this is 5. Then answer is sin theta. Sin theta opposite is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Next, what is a cosecant? Cosecant is the reverse of sine. So just reverse it. Then 13 by 5. And what is cot? Just reverse of tan. Then keep as 12 by 5. Okay. So this is the reciprocal, and cot is the reciprocal. Or else we can see from the diagram also. But I'm just making you to understand. That's it. Okay. We'll do the sixth question.